Now we are going to check our balanced parenthesis. So let's see what is meant by balanced parenthesis is it should have like left bracket and right bracket should be the same. So this is how we will be declaring it as a balanced parenthesis. So this will be balanced. And take for example, I'll take one more other example. So which has yeah, I have one corner braces. So this will be like not balanced parenthesis. So this is what we are going to declare with the help of stack. Okay, so let's see the program for this. Clash, main clash, and we have like public static void main, string args. I'll just directly declare a string. So let's concentrate upon the program. Okay, let's declare okay, this is a balanced parenthesis. Okay, let's check if it is balanced or not. So for that, I will try to declare a for loop. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than s dot length. Okay, so length of the string, this string's length can be determined by s dot length. So okay, and we have I plus plus. Okay, so I'm going to check if s dot caret of I, which is equal to one bracket. I'll take a single bracket. Okay, I'll take a single bracket, and if so, I get it means I'm going to put it inside the stack. So I need to declare a stack for that first of all. So how can we be able to declare a stack? Stack of what? Characters. I am going to put it as a characters. So character stack is equal to new stack. New stack of characters. Okay. I just declare like this. We have all the set of characters as of now. So we have a stack. In this stack, I'm going to push it. So stack dot push of which element I'm going to push in the sense this one. So like s dot caret of I. I'm going to push this element. Okay, let's see the single logic for this. Okay, if s dot caret of I is equal to its friend, like its closing bracket in the sense, I'm going to use stack dot peak. Okay, if stack dot peak of I, so this element now, so stack dot peak is equal to the its friend left bracket in the sense, what I'm going to do is in this case only I'm going to pop it. So stack dot pop. Okay, so this is a simple logic. Let's write as far as we have used the curly braces, let's convert it into for angular brackets and square brackets as well. So let's change it to this bracket, and one more with square bracket. As of now, we have all these. Let's check. So we have created it. Let's check. So as far as this for loop that we have created now, so after the completion of this loop here, I'm going to declare like if the stack is empty in the sense it's a balanced parenthesis, right? So system.out.print, it is balanced. Println, I'm going to print it is a balanced parenthesis. Else, if not, what I'm going to print is like system.out.println. It is not a balanced parenthesis. Okay, it's not balanced. Let's run this code and check what is the output. Yeah, we have this as balanced parenthesis. I'll reduce one bracket and check what is the output right now. It should be not balanced. Oh, okay. It is actually throwing some sort of exception, so we need to check that as well. So over here, let's check for the right bracket. So let's check. It is not balanced. So over here, we have seen some of the test cases. Let's check with the test cases and come to a conclusion. So over here, let's check. We have empty stack exception. So how we can be able to solve this empty stack exception in the sense it is showing if the stack is empty and we were trying to pop an element, so what should happen? So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create integer count is equal to 0. And whenever I found right braces, I'm going to check if the stack is empty. I'm going to make it as a count. So, and then I'm going to check if the count is 0, then it is balanced. If not, it is not balanced. This is what I'm going to check. Let's copy this code and put wherever it's applicable. Okay, over here. So let's check this and okay, and come to a conclusion again. So got it. If stack is empty, I'm going to check it. Else, so I'm going to check. I need to change this as well, like else if only. So I'm going to do this operation. Otherwise, I will be throwing the same error again. It should show not balanced. So this is how this is not balanced. Okay, let's check one more other test case as well. If it is left balanced, what should be the code? It should be not balanced. Again, I have all the things as balanced. What should be the code then? It should be balanced. So this is how our code should work. So it's perfect. So I have created it for left braces over here. So I need to, I have created only for this. I need to put all over here as well whenever it is so I need to put like stack empty so if it is count else if and I need to print this again if the stack is empty it need to count and else if this should be getting printed okay so that's it as it's a simple program so this is how we can be able to check if the code is balanced or not. Let's try to annotate this as well and come to a conclusion. So over here, I have a stack. So in my stack, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push. So I have these number of braces. So I have a curly brace and a square brace and a, like angle brace. So these are all the things that I have. Whenever I'm finding a left braces, I'm going to put inside the stack whenever I'm finding like left angular I'm going to put it in the stack. Okay, so let's try to operate this. So whenever I'm finding an angular braces I'm going to put it inside the stack and here comes the like corner braces I'm putting into the stack whenever I find left braces so this one so I'm going to check the stack is empty or not. No, the stack is not empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop if I'm going to pop this element only if the peak element, what is meant by peak is the topmost element is known as peak. So the topmost element is peak. So such that if it is left braces only, I'm going to pop this element. So that's how I have popped it. Again, I have this left braces. So over here, I have pushed into the stack and I'm going to check it with the right braces. Yes, I have a left braces and the stack is not empty. So I'm going to pop it. Again, I have this angular braces only inside my stack. So such that as it finds the right bracket, it is going to pop. So such that it will be actually a balanced parenthesis.